Hello everyone, today we're gonna make nice stereo Goa Trance Sidechain bassline in Serum. And before we begin, I want to thank you for 1,500 subscribers in my YouTube channel. So we're gonna make something like this. Right? Let's make instance of Serum. I will copy my MIDI pattern. MIDI pattern looks like this. The track is on C. I will turn this off. Alright, so let's solo our patch. So for now it sounds like this. I will just remove it. Alright, let's go and make a batch. So let's go in -2 octave, and here we're gonna put random down, phase. Let's keep this phase like this. Filter. We actually gonna make this bassline from sidechain bassline. So the cutoff about in this position, and now we're going to envelope 1. Attack on 0, hold on 0, decay. We're gonna put 116. Here on the release 128, and here we're going to about half position in 12 -12 dB. In envelope 2, also we're going to take artifact down, hold 0, decay. Also we're gonna put 116, sustain about half, like so. Release also 128, and we have to connect envelope 2 with cutoff. Let's take it down a bit. So we have standard sidechain bassline. And we have to bake now the stereo one with nice Goa filling. So let's active 𝗘-𝗙𝗘𝗘. Now what we can do, we're gonna keep this random like in 75%. Phase we're gonna keep like this, so the sound will start like from this point. Alright, now unison we're gonna put on 3, detune in this position, blend in this position. Alright, and we're gonna active the filter K track here. So let's have a look. Right, and we have to put -2 octave here and active B, so that both oscillator will play together in the same time. Now we have this sound which we're looking for. Now straight away we're gonna use utility bass in mono, if you wanna set it like if you wanna make it shorter or longer, just use envelope 1. And here, when you use this lock item, you can set it to your taste. Alright, and let's put some Saturn here. Here you go. Always make 4 bands. Let's listen with the bass drum. We'll also use the limiter, Ableton one. And put the setting on -6. And we're going to move the gain up. And let's make it a bit shorter. Let's check how it sounds with percussion. Alright, put some up filter Q2. I will cut some, low cuts. Always I need to set it up to your taste because everyone likes a difference in different way. Okay, let's maybe play with some melodies. Let's have a look again on the kick and bass. You can also try use different filters. Hey, I have I had fun now. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you in next tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and take care, and see you in next videos. Bye.